Part 2, House Rent Allowance Based Problems. Practice 3, Mr. Albert, government employee at Chennai, submits the following information. Compute taxable salary. Net salary received 3,80,000, own contribution to RPF 40,000, tax deducted at source rupees 25,000, loan installment deducted from salary rupees 20,000, group insurance premium deducted by employer rupees 5,000. Bonus 25,000 per annum, children education allowance 800 per month. He got 2 children studying in the nearby school, entertainment allowance received 2,000. So in this problem he is a government employee and he also received entertainment allowance. So in the standard deduction we can avail 16.2 entertainment allowance exemption under section 16.2. Let me compute the taxable income of Mr. Albert. Basic pay. So here the net salary 3,80,000. It is a take-home salary. With the take-home salary, we have to add all the deductions like own contribution to RPF, tax deducted source on salary, loan installment deducted from the pay, and the group insurance premium, everything. Then only we can get the basic pay. Amount of rupees 4,70,000. Bonus rupees 25,000, fully taxable. Entertainment allowance received 2,000 per month into 12, so 24,000. Children education allowance. Actually, he received 800 per month. So, actual amount 9,600. Less we can claim exemption. 100 per month, maximum 2 children. So, 2,400. So, balance 7,200. By adding all this, we will get the gross salary 5,26,200. In this problem, we can avail standard deduction under section 16.1, rupees 50,000, and entertainment allowance exemption under section 16.2. He is a government employee, so we can claim. Number 1, actual entertainment allowance rupees 24,000, or ceiling amount rupees 5,000, or 1/5 basic. Basic means basic pay 4,70,000 by 5, 94,000. Out of these 3, whichever is the least, 5,000 is qualifying amount for deduction under section 16.2. In the same pattern, everyone can practice exercise 3. Next, practice 4. Calculate taxable house rent allowance and taxable salary from the following. Salary rupees 15,000 per month, DA 3,000 per month, HRA received 1,800 per month. Rent paid for rented house at Chennai. While computing taxable income, taxable salary of an individual with the house rent allowance based, first of all we have to govern the place of the residence, the place where the house rent is paying. If it is a metro city, while claiming exemption under section 1013A, we have to apply 50% of the salary. In this problem, it is in Chennai. So, see how compute the taxable salary. Basic pay 15,000 per month into 12, 1,80,000. DNS allowance 3,000 per month, so that's 6,000. House rent allowance received 1,800 per month into 12, so 21,600 is actual. Less we can claim exemption under section 1013A. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid is 2,500 per month into 12, so 30,000. Less 10% salary. Salary means basic plus DP plus fixed percentage of commission on sales. But in this problem, we got only basic pay, no DP. It is clearly given as a DA. So, this DA will not be accounted for the purpose of salary for claiming exemption under section 1013A. So, 1,80,000 into 10%. 18,000. So 30,000 rent paid minus a 10% of salary, 18,000, balance of 12,000. It is the first one. Second one, actual house rent allowance, 21,600. Third one, 50% of salary because the house is situated at Chennai metro city. Here salary means basic plus DP plus commission. So 1,80,000 into 50% is 90. Out of these 3, whichever is least, 12,000 is least, that is exempted from actual house rent allowance. Balance only taxable. So the gross salary will be 2,25,600. Yes, we can claim standard deduction under section 16.1, 50,000. And taxable salary will be 1,75,600. In the same pattern, everyone can practice exercise 4. Shall we go for practice 5? Calculate taxable salary from the following of Mr. Anbu residing at Trichy. The place of residence was given clearly Trichy. Salary 20,000 per month, DA 5,000. Here 50% enters. That means out of 5,000, 2,500 per month will be accounted as a dearness pay. That will be treated as a basic treatment. HRA received 4,000 per month, out of which house rent paid for 100 house at 5,000. Here the house rent is paid, so we can claim exemption. If no rent paid means no exemption. The actual house rent allowance was fully taxable. We cannot claim any exemption under section 1013A. Please note this point. What? Okay, now we can compute the taxable salary for this practice. Basic pay 2,40,000, dearness pay 2,500 into 12, 30,000, dearness allowance 2,500 into 12, 30,000. House rent allowance received 4,000 per month, so 48,000, less exemption under section 1013A. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. He paid rent 5,000 per month, so 60,000 minus the 10% of salary. Salary means basic plus DP, so 2,70,000. 10% 27,000, so 60,000 minus 27 balance 33,000. Actual HRA 48,000. 40% of salary because the place is at Trichy. It is a non-metro city, so 40% of salary. Out of these three, whichever is the least, 33,000 least, that least is exempted from actual house rent allowance. So balance only taxable. So the gross salary will be 3,15,000. Less we can claim standard deduction under section 16(1), 50,000. Balance the 2,65,000 will be the taxable salary. Based on that practice 5, everyone can practice exercise 5. Now practice 6. Compute taxable salary of Mr. Vikram. His basic pay 25,000, dearness allowance 3,000, only dearness allowance which is not entered. Lunch allowance 1,000 per month, overtime allowance 2,000 per month, entertainment allowance 2,000 per month. House rent allowance 3,000 per month. Actual rent paid at Rambur. So it's a non-metro city. So compute the taxable salary of Mr. Vikram. Basic pay 3 lakh, dearness allowance 36,000, lunch allowance 12,000, overtime allowance 24,000. These allowances are fully taxable. Entertainment allowance also 24,000 taxable. House rent allowance actually received 36,000. Less exemption under section 1013A. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. Here salary means only basic. So actual rent paid 4,500 into 12, 54,000. Less 10% of salary, 3 lakh into 10%, 30,000. Balance 24,000. Second, actual HRA. And the third one, the place is Ambur, so we can avail only 40% of salary. Out of these three, whichever is least, exempted, balance only taxable. Less we can avail standard deduction under section 16(1), rupees 50,000. Balance only taxable salary. So this house rent allowance adjustments only we covered in this video. We'll see in the next video. Bye. Thank you.